Come on in, come on in. Let's start this bun tutorial. Hey kings and queens, how are you guys doing today? So we are back with another video, y'all. Let's get to it. We are doing a high bun, or putting out hair in a ponytail, because it's winter time and want to protect your hair, keep it moisturized, and we're just doing one simple look today on our relaxed hair. I am basically 1 week post relaxer. This is for the people who also, or maybe past 8 weeks post relax, okay? And we already know how that goes with the new growth and things like that. So let's just in the edges, try the Mielle Edge Gel, because it does have biotin in it. It has a lot of great ingredients. The sleek look. If you want to, sometimes I just leave my you could leave it like that. I have long sideburns, but sometimes if you want to go a little extra, you bring it down like so. You want to be a little extra, But me personally, since my sideburns are already naturally long, I just, like to play with it like that. So yeah, y'all, let me know. And if you want to be a little fancy with it, you could just put on your little earrings, your little hoop earrings and stuff, and you're good to go. Facts, no cap. You know what I mean? But nonetheless, that's how it is. That's how it looks. Hopefully you guys like it. I personally love, sleek looks at the end of the day, like putting your hair in a one. It always looks classy and sexy, especially when you're going out at nighttime, looking cute with a little black dress and heels and, just looking nice. But nonetheless, I just had to come here and show you guys how I do my little sleek look. I ain't got my earrings and stuff here, but for the most part, this is it. Giving you guys pure natural edges, sleek look. The back. And that's that. That's about it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, don't forget to check out my playlist. Check that out. Give this video a like, thumbs up, comment down below, and God bless you all. Ciao, ciao. Bye.